Good day, I'm Paul Holba. I'm Senior Vice President and Chief Investment Officer at Empire Life Investments. If you read the headlines, 2022 was a challenging year. High inflation in developed countries, a rising interest rate environment, and continued geopolitical challenges driving up commodity prices. In addition, we saw bond yields skyrocket as most asset classes took a hit. The MSCI World Index was down over 25% at its lowest point. Canadian bonds, usually a good hedge against stocks, had their worst year since 1980, falling 12%. Housing prices are falling everywhere. Bitcoin crashed. Gold didn't do well either because of higher rates and a strong US dollar. Essentially, there were few places investors could hide. Through it all, our investment strategy played a significant role in the success of many of our investment mandates. According to Morningstar's preliminary stats, overall 85% of Empire Life's segregated fund assets performed better than the average of the corresponding peer groups in 2022. Empire Elite Equity Fund, American Value Fund, and Asset Allocation Fund all finished the year in at least the top 13th percentile of their categories, continuing the track record of protecting on the downside while contributing on the upside. In an environment where you read that the S&P 500 was down over 19% and the NASDAQ was down over 33%, your Empire Life American Value Fund lost just 2%. That's what we mean by protecting on the downside. As we head into 2023, we expect that the economy will still deal with high but easing inflation and a global slowdown that could lead to a mild recession. We believe we're closer to the end of the current interest rate hike cycle than the beginning, especially in Canada. So some challenges might ease up in the year's second half if inflation calms down and monetary policies loosen up as we expect. But the significant challenges of nationalism, deglobalization, and geopolitical divisions will probably keep causing much of the volatility in financial markets. Our investment strategies reflect our cautious view of the environment. Right now, we're taking a defensive stance by keeping more cash and diversifying our investments across different asset classes, sectors, and regions. We'll keep focusing on picking the right companies to invest in that can handle the slowing global economy. The investment team will also use market volatility to buy shares in some high-quality companies that are on sale because their valuations have dropped to levels we haven't seen in many years. January 2023 marks Empire Life's 100th year of helping Canadians build wealth and protect their financial security. Leveraging Empire Life's investment expertise and experience, plus our segregated fund contract features, will help our investors navigate the new year, where monetary policy is less accommodating and markets are more volatile than we're used to. Thank you for your continued support, and we look forward to serving you over the next 100 years.